Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars, a cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Today we're on our prevention series. This is a short video and make it very simple for you. This is a 2015. It has seen many winters, and this is the only product we have ever used. Look how clean and beautiful those carpets are. And I have to tell you, we have tried every type of dirt repellent on every type of carpet, and every one of them out there does not match what this one will do, period. This is all you have to use, and we are not being paid to share this. Spray this on every 6 months. They say 45 days, but you don't have to. All you have to do is do overlapping layers every 6 months. We like to take a brush and brush it in, let it dry 24 hours, and your carpet will look beautiful year after year. We cannot come up with a mixture of our own that will better this. And a lot of times when you buy one bottle of this, Julio, tell everybody where the tools are located.
Busca en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. As I was saying, a lot of times when you buy one bottle, you'll get a label that'll say, get your next bottle for free. So there you go. If you want your carpets to look beautiful every single year after, no matter what weather it is, winter, it doesn't matter. Every 6 months you do this and your carpets will stay absolutely beautiful and it'll keep your resale value up. That is one of our prevention series videos. Now remember, check all the other videos that we have put out lately in the last few weeks on how to prevent issues with your car battery, with your ball joints. It doesn't matter. We did them all. And oh yeah, have a Merry Christmas and a fantastic 2022 New Year. GoPro, stop recording.